gotta go in there and close it. Hurry up, go in and close it.
There's here. Everything is here.
Yeah. Shit.
Look at
Oh. Yeah. Do you want me to do my round?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. I'm just gonna go around and I'm gonna do my start.
Go ahead.
Right down? Sure.
But she's supposed to be sick, y'all. Good morning, Papa.
Just one more sharp.
Go ahead. Do one more sharp turn. Good job, boo. Good morning, everyone. It is officially move day. And we were up late last night trying to still pack up my luggage, which is now downstairs, to get it ready because the movers are coming in a little over an hour to put all of our stuff on the truck and take it. And it's going to be a very hectic day again because both of the kids are sick. Okay, stop what you're doing right now, y'all. Go ahead and pause for the cause and hit that subscribe button. Your girl is trying to reach her goal of 50K this year, and I'm gonna need y'all help. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. Help me reach this 50K in 2021. And while you at it, go ahead and support. Shop the brand at ARMYPrinncess.com. I sell military cosmetics. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, don't judge me. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you can join us on our journey. But today is our last day in this house because we are moving into the hotel today. Like today. We are waiting on the movers right now to come pick up these boxes and put them in the truck, but I want to take you all along with me. So I appreciate you rocking with me, rolling with me. If you have not seen my last video where we packed up the house, make sure you go back and watch that. I'm going to put the card up here so you can view those. But today we are waiting on them to pack us up and we are moving in the hotel. If you are ready to be a part of the journey, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and follow us below. Let's get into the vlog. So Mr. Wilson is going to give us some tips on PCSing with kids this time around.
The number one tip is to prepare. Failure to plan is planning to fail. The best way to prepare is to get an area where you don't want the movers to pack your stuff in. Because kids, they have toys they want to play around with. If you leave their favorite blanket or if you leave their favorite toy, it's going to be a long PCS move. And then also by helping to plan or prepare is in case the kids get sick when they come to pack your stuff up, like it happened to us. So now they're gonna come pack our stuff up with all the movers, and we have two, sick kids here that we have to try to take care of and balance the movers. So if you plan and you have a system already in place and you've already prepared your stuff the day before, then you don't have so much to do the day of. And you could do videos like this and live stress-free.
All right, thank you for your tips. Are they here, Gavin? Gavin got his luggage. Are they here? You see him?
So make sure before the movers leave, you walk through the whole house and open up all the closets to make sure things aren't left behind.
Okay, I will definitely do that.
Okay.
We're gonna have to set it straight and then you see what's that?
I'm taking my treadmill. I get on my treadmill every single day. Every day. That's my best friend. Y'all, they packing us up. Packing us up on the truck. They making good good headway since, you know, they kind of started late. But still a lot to do. Like the whole bedroom, the whole upstairs basically. They haven't made it upstairs. They've been doing the basement, which it is a lot because, you know, Army Princess collection was down there. And the main floor with the workout equipment in the kitchen. So we're about to lay down in here because it's way past Gavin's nap time and he don't feel good.
Why you gotta stand at the door?
Look at his face.
Who took that? Who took the sound bed?
Who took this house bed?
The man took the sound bed.
Did he?
Yeah.
Where did he take it?
He took it at home.
I think he put it on the truck to take to Georgia.
They took it to Georgia.
Let's go look to see. Did they take your bed? You should record it. Go
Yeah.
Oh, Papa, let's look for your
You gotta
bed.
go in first. You go in first to get his reaction. Come on. Yeah, hurry up, baby.
Wait, Papa, wait.
Come here, Gavin. Come here. Come here.
Papa, where's your bed? Gavin, where's your bed at?
That thing was big.
They took your bed too?
Yeah.
What about the other bed that Granny Girl sleeps in?
Let's see
Let's see.
You gotta go in there and close it. Hurry up, go in and close it.
Laying down here, y'all. We tired. Giselle's coughing. Gavin's got a fever back there.
Yes.
They took all our furniture. It's way past his nap time, so we in the empty room laying down right now because they are in our bedroom actually taking the bed down. This is Giselle's room. And it's warm up here because they have the door open. So me and the kids are up here resting until they finish. Probably about another hour and then we'll head to the hotel. Hi, Giselle. Thank you for recording for me, my camera girl.
Yeah.
Are you excited? Oh, the elevator's here. The elevator's here.
Oh, and we're going.
This is like you said you wanted your own channel.
Yeah. Sure.
Look at
Oh. Yeah. Look at the view. The view's perfect. There's the mirror. Excuse me, guys. Who is this? Oh, say hi. Hi. This is Gavin, Alberto Wilson. And there's our room. Oh, wow. It's everywhere.
Now, how you just move their little stuff off the counter and put it up here? They little coffee pot. So put your Keurig. That's just like our people. But anyway, we are all checked in, getting settled in. I'm about to unload all of this stuff. The kids done took over our bed like it's their bed. And Gabriel went to go get food. So we got a lot going on, so I'm gonna end this vlog here. I appreciate y'all rocking with us. This vlog probably won't be up. It'll probably be a day late because my computer's not even here to edit. So I apologize on that one. But we still got a lot to do tonight. When the food comes, I'm gonna be ready to eat. So I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. I appreciate y'all rocking with your girl. If you liking what you see so far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. And make sure you check out yesterday's video. I'm gonna link it up here. Until next time, I will see you all in the next one. Bye.
Hey, if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like, what are you waiting on? Go now.